action needed to end child marriage. I hope this launch is going to continue to energize positive and consistent conversation on ending child marriage, because it's a conversation. It's a long-lasting approach that we need to take. I heard talking about the social construct and all the other behavioral issues that we need to address. So it's a long-lasting approach that we need to take. Let me highlight that Pakistani girls and any girl in the world who are married a child robbed their childhood. They face great threats to their health and well-being. And I would like to highlight 4 critical issues that we need to consider. And allow me to focus a little bit on Pakistan and then give some perspective of what could be the impact across, not only in Pakistan, but across other countries. Pakistan has a high prevalence of child marriage. It ranged from 18 to 21% before the age of 18, those who are married. And then we also have 3% who are married before the age of 15. So the prevalence tend to be very high. So I would also like to take this unique opportunity to remind ourselves on compelling ways the impact of child marriage and propose some possible solutions that we can consider. So the married children face far greater risk than those who are unmarried, their unmarried peer. They face greater challenges, and they are likely to get pregnant and give birth, as we know, while unprepared, with numerous consequences. Allow me to mention some few consequences. And my little bias, a medical doctor who has practiced a little bit and who is also going to share his experience, the way I have seen it in the field, the consequences that are happening in hospitals and in communities. So maternal mortality among adolescent girls is almost twice than that for women 20 to 24 years of old. And this is the figures from Pakistan related to the Pakistan mortality survey that took place in 2019. So obstetrical complications are common among children who are married. We have some fistula that are taking place. We have perineal wounds because of consequences of early pregnancy, with the body that is not really unprepared. We also know that getting married as a child leads to low birth rate, leading to malnutrition and increased child mortality. The last element that I would like to mention, which is also an important element which I have really seen in the field, in my practice, is hemorrhage during delivery. That can lead to loss of precious girls' lives. And this I have seen in my practice, and I'm here today really to discuss and work with you, all the partners, to see how we can prevent this from happening to our children in Pakistan, but happening to our children in general. Secondly, I would like to state that overall child marriage is a grave threat to the lives of prospects of young girls. It denies them their childhood, jeopardizes their health, and limits opportunity for them. And this is compounded by the social, cultural, and structural barriers, and which Susan was presenting.